Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you Android tricks to quickly switch between keyboards whenever you need it, whether it's emoji keyboard or swipe or multi-language keyboard. So let's get started. Firstly, we are into Notes or any other app where we will write. This is English. Now, press the space button, hold the space button. You will see all the languages. If there was not your language, you can click on language settings, then click on add keyboard. Here you will see all the languages. You can download it. Just simply click on it like this. We are downloading. This you will see the layout, this like this. Choose according to your which suits you, then click on done. Now this language will be added. Now click on back. Scroll down, click on the language. You will see in this language. You can also change back. Like this. Here we will write anything according to, for example, like this. We type, item will be written. Now click on the four dots. Here you will see all the keyboard settings. Here you will see floating keyboard. You can place your keyboard anywhere. Click on the paint icon. Here you will select your keyboard theme. If you want keyboarders, you can click on keyboarders or hide it, then click on apply. Keyboard will be applied. Then again you will see resize. You can select the size of your keyboard. Here you will see text editing. You can select the editing of your text. Then click on settings. Here you will see all the keyboard settings. For example, voice typing. You can enable this. Emoji sticker. Here all the emoji settings. Clipboard history. Preferences. Here you will see always show number, font, layout 100 mode, sound on key press. If you type, click on any key, you will see the sound, hear the sound, and that's it. It's quick, simple, and no digging through multiple settings. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Android hacks, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.